You just fixed a BA turbo ignition, so it's a manual on this one. It's interesting. Looks like a 6-speed, so they definitely didn't come out then with that. So yeah, I guess say the running gears from a BF. It could be a Series 2 BA that the motor and gearbox has come out of, but it's also got the HU101 key, so this will be out of a BF, because you wouldn't just change that. You'd have a crash BF and you'd be putting all this stuff on the donor car. What gives it away as well is that the stickers are here instead of in the driver's door.